Hello everybody, this is Bui from mamaboiskitchen. I hope you are having a great day. One of my favorite rainy day activities is baking. I love taking time to try to come up with delicious treats in my kitchen, and today we are making leftover cake bread pudding. This recipe works well with dense cake like pound cakes. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bee doesn't like to waste time. So here I have leftover triple berry cake. If you want to learn how to make this cake, guys, I'll leave the link somewhere up here for the video. Go check it out. So guys, let's get right into it. And here are the ingredients you'll need. Leftover cake, hot milk. You are also going to need sugar, vanilla extract, raisins, and eggs. In a medium bowl, whisk together eggs, sugar, and vanilla extract. Whisk well until the eggs are light and pale. Next, slowly add the hot milk to the eggs a little bit at a time and whisk constantly. Add milk in half-cup increments to bring the temperature of the eggs up gradually while whisking. Now you can pour all the hot milk without worrying that the eggs will curdle or scramble. The goal here, guys, is to slowly bring up the temperature of the eggs without scrambling them. And this method is called tempering. The mixture looks good. Now we're gonna set aside. Now let's move on and cube our triple berry cake. Now place the triple berry pieces in a greased baking dish. Add raisins, then pour the egg mixture on top, making sure all the bread is covered. Cover and let it sit at room temperature for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, sprinkle with cinnamon sugar, then bake the pudding at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour or until it is puffed and set. There you have it, guys. Leftover triple berry cake bread pudding. Serve warm with vanilla pudding. I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.